Welcome to this installation tutorial for Rangee OS and the TCMS Thin Client Management System. In this guide, we will walk through every step from booting the installer to logging into the TCMS web interface for the first time. When you first boot from the Rangee OS installation media, you will see the Rangee OS installer boot menu. The system will automatically count down and select the first option. Use the arrow keys to select Rangee OS installer and press enter to begin. Once the installer loads, you will see the Rangee OS installer main menu. Select option 1, Install Rangee OS, and press enter. A warning dialog will appear stating that all data on the target drive will be erased. Confirm by selecting Yes to proceed with the installation. The installer will now copy the operating system to your drive. You will see a progress bar as the installation runs. This process typically takes under a minute. When complete, a dialog will confirm that Rangee OS has been successfully installed. Click OK to continue. The system will now reboot. You will see shutdown and system log messages scroll by. After the reboot, the GNU Grub bootloader menu will appear. Select Boot and press Enter to start Rangee OS from the hard disk. Rangee OS will begin its first boot. You will see the Rangee logo appear along with status messages. Setting up system, prepare configuration, setting up network, and applying configuration. Allow the system to complete this initialization process. After the first boot completes, the Rangee OS First Run Setup wizard will launch automatically. The wizard will attempt to activate the device license. If prompted about a demo license, you may click No to skip and continue. The wizard will then detect your screen resolution and confirm it successfully. Next, the wizard will ask whether to generate a hostname automatically. Click Yes. The system will then check for Wi-Fi devices. If none are found, it will proceed to configure the network using DHCP. Once the network is successfully configured, the wizard will initialize licenses and then finish, triggering an automatic system reboot. The system will reboot again and process any pending updates. You will see the Rangee operating system logo along with a progress indicator showing processing update. After the update completes, the system will boot a second time, cycling through setting up system, prepare configuration, and applying configuration before loading the full desktop environment. When the desktop loads, you may see one or more notification dialogues about Rangee OS license expiration and the Rangee Thin Client Management Server. Dismiss each of these by clicking OK. You will then see the TCMS desktop with the ComBox application available. Open the ComBox application. The end-user license agreement will appear. Read through the agreement, then toggle the acceptance switch to indicate you accept the terms, and click Confirm to proceed. Next, the administrator password setup screen will appear. Enter your desired administrator password in the new password field, then retype it in the confirmation field. Click Confirm to save. A success banner will confirm the password was updated. Click Confirm once more to finalize your configuration settings. To access the TCMS web interface, open the TCMS application on the desktop. If you see a privacy warning about the connection not being private, click Advanced and then proceed to localhost to continue. The TCMS login page will appear. Enter the username administrator and the default password, Angels, then click Login. You are now logged into the TCMS Thin Client Management System. The main dashboard shows the Thin Client's view with columns for IP address, MAC address, group, hostname, description, and last seen. From here, you can manage all your Thin clients, create groups, apply profiles, and configure actions across your entire Thin Client infrastructure. Congratulations, your Rangee OS TCMS installation is complete.